This is Jason Car Drive live field trip. We are back in the kitchen of Peach Betty, the one, the only, the bright and
Sullivan, come make some cookies.
Okay.
We are making peanut butter bars.
I'm ready.
What do we have in here?
Brown sugar and butter.
Mix your brown sugar and your butter together. We have two special guests.
Mario and Luigi.
And then who's this?
Sullivan.
Sullivan. Alright, we're going to mix up our butter and our sugar until you can't tell the difference. Originally I had this as brown sugar and white sugar, but I've put it all as brown sugar now because it makes them nice and soft.
Oh, gosh.
So now that we have our butter and our brown sugar all mixed together, it's a nice paste, we can go ahead and add our peanut butter. Now, I like to use crunchy peanut butter in this also, but today we have creamy peanut butter.
I like crunchy peanut butter in my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
I know you do.
You can do a creamier, crunchy peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It's up to you. The only thing I wouldn't use is natural peanut butter, and that's just because it has too much oil.
Oh.
The vanilla? It
No.
smells good, though. Let's mix these together.
Time to crack the chicken.
Crack the chicken.
Time to crack the egg.
We gotta crack the eggs. And you wanna make sure they're at room temperature like always.
You need 2.
2 eggs.
Make sure there's lots of cracks when you crack it. And then you do like, when it's all ready to crack, like.
That looks good.
You do this.
Stick your thumbs in and pull them apart.
I got some egg on my finger. Ugh.
No shells, no shells.
Ew.
What?
Gross. This is gross. It's gross.
Paper towel.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Sorry about that egg problem.
That's all right.
I just got egg yolk stuck on me.
No big deal.
And make sure you crack the egg very carefully or else it will splatter all over the ground. But I apologize.
Yeah, you're a lot older now and you know how to do this.
I think I was just 4 or 5 when I did that.
And how old are you now?
6.
Okay, we'll crack in here to make sure we don't get any shell. Yeah.
0 shell. I
0
see.
shell.
And
Dump
I
them
didn't
in.
get any yolk on me.
No, perfect. We have egg butter.
And now we're adding flour and oats.
We have flour, oats, salt, and baking soda.
Oh, that's so much powder.
All right, let's carefully mix this all together.
And the last couple ingredients are peanut butter chips and Easter M&Ms.
Okay.
And did you know that my mom here, named Peach Betty, made her own Peach Betty calendar?
That's how they got here.
So you can go online and get a calendar from Peach Betty if you just text her, and then she'll send one right with you. And I might drive with her.
All right, so now we've almost got this all mixed.
And one of our deliveries, we hit a car on accident. Sorry. Spoiler alert. So hard, I couldn't stop.
All
I
right.
laughed so hard that you laughed.
But now
We're adding the peanut butter.
we're adding the peanut butter.
They're adding the peanut butter cups.
Yes. These are very important because I think that it helps add even more peanut butter flavor to
Look at these.
your peanut butter bars.
They taste so delicious.
They are very good. If you do not like peanut butter, these are not the bars for you.
Because they have peanut butter in them.
Yeah.
She might be selling these bars. So if you want one of these bars, go to
Finders keepers.
Finders Keepers here.
So we have a parchment lined pan. We're going to dump it all in there.
Oh, what about the Reese's cups?
Those are going to go on top.
Oh yeah, I forgot. With the M&Ms?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We need to mash it down.
We gotta flatten it. Wanna help me flatten it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a spoon.
I hope your kids don't eat this much because if they do, they're gonna tummy ache. If there's a grown-up. That's a grown-up warning.
So now that we have spread it all evenly, I just use the back of a spoon. We can sprinkle in our big hearts and eggs.
I'll do the eggs, you do the hearts.
Okay, move them all around so we can make sure everybody gets like a big fat hunk of peanut butter. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to add our festive
Easter M&Ms.
Easter M&Ms. And this is just because that the time that we're making this in 2024, Easter is
The last day of March.
the last day of March. So we thought that we would make these Easter colored.
These taste a lot better than,
Regular M&Ms?
yeah, these taste so much better.
Now that we have these all over the top, we're going to stick it into the oven, 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And it just starts to get a little golden brown around the edges. We don't want to over bake these because we want these to be nice and soft in the middle.
See you in a couple minutes.
In 40 minutes. But they're best when they're cooled. All right, here they go.
So see you after these are baked. We might do some activities while these are baking, and when we hear this ding, 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 or a ding sound from the oven, that means these peanut butter bars are done.
So always set your timer so you don't forget and burn them.
A 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1, a 0, 0. Yeah.
Okay, watch out. I'll burn your butt. Careful, careful, careful. These look good.
Yeah.
They smell good. And they're, careful, they're just a little brown. That's all you want.
They smell like they're gonna taste like chocolate.
If you touch the edges, they're just a little set.
And
but
squishy.
They're definitely squishy in the middle, and that's good.
Look at these bars. They're so hot.
They're very hot.
Cool them.
Well, they won't be ready until tomorrow.
Oh, through the end tomorrow. Stay tuned tomorrow.
Stay tuned.
Let's take a look at them. Oh, they look so good.
They do look really good.
Those were the ones she made, and the one with the guy she went to try the pickle hummus with.
With Jason Carr.
Yeah. Jason.
Jason got to eat the ones you made. And he liked them a lot.
Because I'm kind of a professional mom.
Yeah.
I help her out as a professional.
You do.
Because I'm pretty good at baking with my mom.
Yep.
Because I like doing that. And it's a fun activity that I like to do with my mom. And baking is fun. So if you're watching this video and you like baking, then you can bake with whoever you want to bake with, or you can just do it by yourself.
And we can talk about how easily that came off because they are cold and we had parchment paper on there. And so what we're going to do, as I always serve up my bars, is I'm going to cut these in half.
So I can try some.
Exactly, just so you can try some. You are my taste tester.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything that is in the calendar has been taste tested and approved by
Solomon Hassett.
Yep. That is the way that
Which
I know.
I am Peach Betty's or Morgan Hassett's helper here.
Yep.
Which Peach Betty is actually my mom.
My favorite is the corner, so.
Oh. Oh yeah. I can definitely taste the chocolate. I don't taste. I taste a lot of peanut butter. I love that. I love it. I love the taste with the M&M. This is one of the best treats my mom has ever baked.
10 out of 10. All right. It's a win. Good stuff.
This is perfect.
Perfect?
Perfect. If you have a calendar, then you you can look at the calendar and then scan the QR code and watch videos or read the recipe.
You can make these. Alright, well that's it for this video. See you next month.
See you next.
See you
The year of my birthday.
The month of your birthday. Oh.
See you next month. Bye bye. Hit the like button
Hit the like button.
and subscribe.
Huh?